Department of Science and Technology at Jayoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University, Jaipur. Today I am going to take the lecture on the topic types of maintenance. Uh, Traditionally, you can see that there are basically 5 types of maintenance that have been distinguished, and these can be, you can say, differentiated by the nature of the task that they include. Okay, so as I told you in my previous video regarding maintenance is of course a challenging job, because after completion of each thing you need to maintain it. So there are many sometimes very issues regarding processing, or any other technical issues. So you need to maintain all those things, so it is a very tiring and complicated task also. So the first one is the corrective maintenance. In corrective maintenance, the set of tasks is destined to correct the defects to be found in the different equipment, and that are communicated to the maintenance department by users of the same equipment. The second is the preventive maintenance. In this preventive maintenance, this is the second type of maintenance, and this preventive maintenance mission is to maintain a level of certain service on equipment, programming and interventions of their vulnerabilities in the most opportune time. This preventive maintenance is used to be a systematic character, that is, the requirement is inspected even if it has not given any symptoms of having a problem. So the second type is the predictive maintenance. In this predictive maintenance, this pursues constantly know and report the status and operational capacity of the installation by knowing the value of certain variables which represent such states and operational ability. And this predictive maintenance, it is necessary to identify physical variables like, you can say, temperature, vibration, power, consumption, etc. So this all comes in the predictive maintenance, because we can only predict the temperature, we can only predict the vibration. So this is all about the prediction. So with the variation is indicative of problems, so you can say there may be appearing on the equipment, right? So this maintenance, you can say, it is the most technical, since it requires advanced technical resources also, and at times of strong mathematical, physical and or technical knowledge. So this predictive is of course important. The next is the 0 hours maintenance or fall. In this type, the set of tasks whose goal is to review the equipment at scheduled intervals before appearing any failure, either when the reliability of the equipment has decreased considerably, so it is risky to make forecast of production capacity. Okay, so this review is totally based on leaving the equipment to 0 hours of operation, means as if the equipment were new. These all reviews will replace or repair all items subject to wear. So this aim is to ensure with high probability a good working time fixed in advance. The next one is the periodic maintenance, that is the fifth one type of maintenance. This is totally, you can say, time based maintenance, that is a TBM. Okay, because we are talking about the periods, means periodically. Okay, so periodically you have to maintain. So this periodic maintenance is the basic maintenance of equipment which is made by the users of it, and it consists of a series of elementary tasks, that is data collections, visual inspections, cleaning, lubrications, retightening, screws, etc. So in this, for which no extensive training is necessary, but perhaps only a brief training, this type of maintenance is the based on TPM, that is total productive maintenance. Thank you. This is all about today's session. This session powered by digital version 2.0 Jayoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University Jaipur. Hope you are satisfied with my digital session. If you have any query, please mention in comment box. I will resolve it. Thank you.